Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I thought we could do a detailed unboxing of my first impressions of the shoe which is in this box, which is the Nike Winflo 11. Now, one of my great passions, especially as I've gotten older, to keep my health up and make sure my longevity is there, is to work out. You know, I'm constantly working out, and for that reason I'm always trying new shoes. You can see over here some of my gym shoes. I've got a lot. And I'm going to be honest, some of them are great and some of them not so much so. So I'm constantly looking for the right shoe that's got the right mix of comfort, support, durability, and of course, affordability. So what I thought we could do today is we can run through everything that I know so far about this shoe. We'll cover the materials, we'll cover the fit, the comfort, and who this shoe is actually designed for. So anyway, let's jump into it. Okay, so first things first, let's take a look at the design. Now, right away, one of the things that I noticed is that Nike have kept it nice and clean and nice and minimal with this particular shoe. And that's something I really, really like. That scores highly for me. Now, as I said, this is the Winflo 11. And Nike has made some subtle design changes from the previous model, the Winflo 10, which is mainly refining the shape and adding more structure to the upper. Now, there are, I think, around 6 or 7 different colourways that you can actually get the Winflo 11 in. And this is the white, black and lime colourway, which I think is absolutely perfect for workouts in the gym or for running. Now, the upper is made of breathable engineered mesh. So what that means is basically that you're getting better ventilation, which is obviously key to keeping your feet cool during long runs or long workouts in the gym. Also as well, you'll see that Nike has kept the iconic swoosh branding. And one of the things I noticed as well is there's a little branding of a swoosh there, which is embroidered just sort of near the heel, which I think is a nice touch. So yeah, overall first impressions is it looks sleek, it feels well built in the hand, but let's dig a little deeper into the shoe so we can see a little bit further into it, what we think of it. Okay, now one of the biggest selling points of the Winflo series has always been its balance between affordability and quality, and at first glance, Nike have stuck to that formula here with the Winflo 11. Now, looking a little bit deeper into the shoe, let's take a look at the midsole. Now, the midsole has Nike's signature air cushioning unit, and in the Winflo 11, you've got a air unit that runs from the back to the front of the shoe. So it's going to give you that soft underfoot feel that you really, really want for all-day comfort. And as you can probably see there, can you see me? Look, I mean, I'm hardly putting any pressure on that, but you can see it's like a sponge, that midsole. So you know that these are going to be super, super soft. Also as well, I like the padding that we've got around the heel here as well. So there's a little bit of extra structure to that. So I think that will really help to lock your foot down. And the tongue itself as well, it feels really, really soft. I think that's going to be really, really nice as well. Now, the actual shoe is super light. I mean, you put the other shoes in this box, feather light. I think they're like around 315 grams, something like that. So a really light shoe that's going to be excellent for wearing all day if that's what you're looking to do with it. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, I don't think it's quite as plush as, say, the Nike Pegasus or maybe the Invincible shoes, but I think these are going to be a really good middle ground. They're going to be soft enough, but also stable enough for everyday use. So yeah, really, really like that. Now, if we look at the outsole of the shoe, we've got that obviously Nike waffle pattern that we've seen before. And this is obviously really durable rubber as well. So I think these are going to be perfect for giving good grip on the roads, on the treadmill, or maybe even if you're on slightly uneven terrain, they should still hold up well. From a lacing perspective, nothing screaming out here, look at me, just nice simple laces, which I like that as well. So yeah, really, really like the design of this shoe, and it just feels really well built. Now, from a price perspective, I actually picked these up for €70. I believe the retail on them is 110. So if you're lucky like me and you get them for €70, you're definitely onto a winner. Even if you pay the full retail price of 110, I'm going to be honest with you, I don't think that's a bad price at all. Okay, so now the important part, and that's how do these feel on foot? So let's get them on my foot and we can see how they feel. Okay, so straight away, the fit is pretty standard for Nike. If you've worn Nike running shoes before, you're going to feel right at home in these, the Nike Winflo 11. Now, for me, I went true to size, but if you do have wider feet, you might want to go up half a size. The toe box isn't overly tight, but it's not super roomy either. But for me, in my normal true to size, these were absolutely perfect. Now, cushioning wise, you get a nice amount of bounce from the midsole, especially under the heel. It's soft, but it's not too squishy, which just makes it great if you need something for both running and casual wear. Heel lockdown feels solid, and there's certainly enough arch support to keep your feet comfortable for longer wear. Okay, so who should actually buy this shoe, the Nike Winflo 11? Well, I'm going to be honest with you. I think if you're a casual runner or you're somebody like myself that works out in the gym and you're looking for a shoe that's not going to break the bank, then this is 100% a solid option for you. I also think as well, if you're looking for just a casual shoe, something that you can wear every day, that it's not going to hurt your feet, you know, your feet are going to stay nice and supported and comfy, then this could definitely work for you as well. I mean, in the few minutes that I was trying that shoe on just now, straight away I got the sense that I could wear this all day and my feet are going to thank me for it. You know, it was super light, super comfortable. So definitely one that I would say to consider. Now, we need to also understand as well that if you're expecting top tier Nike tech like the Zoom X, for example, this isn't that. You know, it's built for versatility, but it's not for extreme performance. But overall, I think this is a solid option. So I would kind of think of this really as kind of a hybrid between a running shoe and a lifestyle shoe. I think it's perfect for everyday wear, but it's also got enough performance for, you know, light running or gym workouts like I'm going to wear it for. Okay, so overall, the Nike Winflo 11, I think, is a solid choice. If you want a budget-friendly, comfortable, and versatile trainer, then that is definitely worth a consideration. Yes, it's not the flashiest Nike model out there, but it delivers where it counts. It's got good cushioning, it's got decent support, it's got a really clean design, and I think it would be perfect for both workouts and casual wear. Now, would I recommend it? Yeah, definitely. I think if you want a reliable daily shoe for under €110, then absolutely. But now I want to hear from you. Have you tried the Winflo series before, or do you have another go-to running shoe or go-to workout shoe? Drop me a comment below and let me know, because maybe it's one I haven't tried yet. Also, if this review has helped you, then please make sure to like and subscribe. It's absolutely free to subscribe. It doesn't cost a penny, but it helps the channel to continue to grow. Also, don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss out on my next vlog. Anyway, enjoy whatever you're doing for the rest of the day, and I'll catch you in the next one.